version, the first version of Monkey Kid, with the symbols on the front and the monkey logo on his back. I really want a t-shirt with that logo on it. I need to order one from Redbubble. And yeah, he does wear essentially high top Chuck Taylor Converses. So he is me when I was a teenager. Except instead of a star logo on the side, it has a little cloud, which is really cute. But yeah, so this is the second version, and I really like this version. It's non-canon. He never actually looks like this in the cartoon. But he has a hood instead of headphones. And yeah, I like this version with the logo on the front. The legs are the same, the hairpiece is the same, but he gets a hood instead of headphones, and he gets a different torso print. I'll show you the back. Beheaded stream. I think that... I'm guessing it says monkey, but I'm not 100% sure. And then I'll show you the alternate face as well, which is really cute. I think you'll like the alternate face.
Maybe I'll go back downstairs.
Sure. Thanks, Darcy. Bye, Darcy.
Bye.
Look at his alternate face, though. Isn't that cute, Darcy?
Aww,
He's blushing.
that's adorable.
This is the alternate face with his little blush, and he's real proud. He's like, yeah, I'm pretty great.
Aw, bless him.
I am the Monkey Kid. I was the chosen one by Sun Wukong, the great Monkey King himself.
Bless his heart.
Chosen to be his successor. That's me. There you go. That's what he's saying. His blush is really cute. I do love that alternate face. That's one of the best faces they've done for him. We did already have that head print. I've got a couple of it already. But, you know, we don't mind more of them. And there he is with his staff. Monkey King's old staff. And here's his sweet ride. So this is the cockpit of the drone copter. But the drone copter is able to eject this, and it becomes its own standalone vehicle for the Monkey Kid to make his doings a transpire in. It's a little speedboat. So once ejected from the drone copter, the turbines here point to the back, and he's able to go whoosh through the water. That ride alone makes me want a spinner from Blade Runner in Lego. Oh yeah, that would be awesome. It does kind of look like that as well. It looks kind of like a cloud car. In fact, you could easily just play with this as a flying car. I really like the stickers on the front there. And of course, Darcy's done a magnificent job of placing those. Perfectly straight, as always. Fantastic job. They had some good detail there. I like the intake vents there. And then we get a physical one there as well. And then some more back here as well. I like how this shape is done. With those curved pieces, with some studs on the side building techniques. With that sort of shield piece there to attach and create that curvature, which then comes back onto these vent pieces. It's really nicely executed. And we even get like a bit of a spoiler back here too. Phenomenal job, Darcy. Absolutely. These are just the attachment points for how it attaches onto the rest of the drone copter. And that's how it be going. I like it. I like it very much. And he looks suitably smug in there as well. The other stickers that Darcy did for this are the controls in there. I don't know what P and R mean, but there were similar lettering sticker, like control panels inside the Monkey King mech. So I've never been able to figure those out. They were like W, D, P, and R or something. I got no idea. but maybe someone can fill me in. It's a very cute little build. And we've essentially finished all of the, well, we have finished all of the side builds, and then sort of a kind of side build, kind of not, kind of dealy here as well. So let's get everything that we've done together so far. They make stickers for 2x1 pieces now too. Oh, they make stickers for a lot of things, but I think that piece is particularly hard to print on because it's one of the pieces that's got like a texture on it. It's actually a 1x3 piece as well. It's a 1x3 wedge piece with a stud on top. It's just that they're being covered up. The stud's being covered up by these pieces here. So we get 2 shipping containers so far as side builds. That's an extra spider. We get these 2 spiders. The Red Sun surfboard. The Itty Bitty Kitty Committee's willy-nilly, killy-thrilly cat carrier. The bad guys shipping container. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minifigures. Plus Mo. We are barely halfway through the set and you've already got all of this value. Like, that's pretty cool.